Okay, today we are going to do a walk around and show you some of the things I've done to my Palomino 2901. It's a 2020 and it was lacking a lot of things that the newer ones have, so yeah, check it out. If you have some good ideas, I would love to hear them. Always looking for, great things to do, ways to improve. So let's get started. First one, gotta have the beer bottle opener. And of course, I've had this camper over 4 years and just realized I can strap a 30-pound propane tank right there. Rides perfect. Of course, out the steps. Got a little Jeep. So, one of the things I did right off the bat is I built this little box literally out of scrap lumber. It was 1x6 and I just cut it in, and then the top piece was a 1x8. Yeah, literally I didn't have the channel when I made it, or I would have filmed it, but God, what a great thing. The other thing was putting the key holders right there, because anybody with a Forest River product knows you've got a shit ton of keys. Excuse me, you've got a lot of keys. And in this, being up high, it's easy to reach in when it's in the truck. Okay, my most favorite thing I will show you at the end. So let's see, we got sticky hooks everywhere for stuff. Did the swap that out and put it in with the sprayer, whatever. Because the first one was stationary. It didn't move. It was stupid. So one of my favorite things was put this in with the remote, which just makes an incredible difference. You can adjust the speed. You can have it reverse, blow in. I liked having it be able to blow on me when we're out remote camping. And you can tell it's really quiet when it gets down to the low speeds. Oh man. So, more sticky hooks. One of the other things was I put a little, there it is, little thing there. Got my lens wipes, sorry. So that made a difference, because anybody with these knows that, yeah, they don't stay up. Also put in the little USB 12-volt one there. Excuse me, get the trash out. Can't see it, but that one is, when I'm 110, it also has USBs. And of course I did the same thing over here. Whoops. Hers opens a lot better. The other thing was our front cap. The wallpaper was peeling. I mean, horribly. So I just peeled it off, primered it, and painted it. I did not sand it. I wanted the texture left on it. And man, it came out so good that I'm going to peel the rest of the paper off, because it's starting to peel around the edges everywhere else. And the funny part is, I went into Home Depot. I usually don't use their paint, but this paint I found, it was a, I think it was a quart. It was $2 because it was a goof. So it worked for me. We're not plugged in right now, but I hardwired a Progressive Industries EMS system in, just because I have had 2 experiences where I've fried stuff in my trailers because I got high voltage. So I knew if I had a plug-in one, I would forget to do it, and that would be when I'd fry it. So I hardwired the sucker in. And then under here is my solar controller. I've got another video that shows when I wired the solar in, but yeah, looking forward to that. This is the first trip out with the solar panel, so we'll see how it does. 230 watts and a 30 amp controller. Oh, so get back up. I got rid of the stock table and went to our local restaurant supply. Just got this little square one. It's a 24-inch square. Just took one of the legs off, and I don't know if you can see it or not, I just took one of the bases or the mounts off the stock table and put on that one. It works so much better. That other one just, you couldn't get in on this side. And we have actually had 4 adults have a meal on this table. It was tight, but it worked. So yeah, there's that. The other key holder up here, and you can see this is just bubbling, so that's definitely coming down and getting painted again. I have remounted this door track too many times to count. Finally went with toggle bolts. So one of my most favorite things, we got rid of that crappy faucet shower combo. So again, we've got the swivel. Oops, I guess you gotta have the water pump on. But yeah, turn that on and ran a shower valve right over here. And again, I've got a video on the channel showing when I did that. So yeah, that made a huge difference. So let's see, the other thing I had done is back over here. I wired in a inverter. I haven't trimmed it out because it's a Harbor Freight cheapie, and I'm going to get a good one. So here's a shot of the base I built to carry the weight of the inverter. Oh, the other thing, shoe container. You know, there's a bunch of wasted space under there. So I found a deep pan, literally just put some corner brackets on all 4 corners. The pan drops in and out. You can lift it out to clean it. But man, getting the shoes off the floor made a big difference. I did that. You know, they had the hinges up on the top and the bottom, so I just took them off and mounted them on the side. Put a little mag mount there. Granted, you can't store a whole lot under there. We keep the dishpan in plastic bags, basically. But it's just nice to be able to get to the plumbing without taking crap apart every time. This little lippert thing for the door handle, so you can just... Makes it really nice, because when I'm carrying out pots of food to cook, I can hit it with my knee, and the door opens. Those things, at the dealership I used to work for, they were like 22 bucks retail. So not an expensive upgrade at all. Figured I had to show it in action. Guess how many bottle caps will fit in that hole. Alrighty, well thanks a lot. Please give me a like, leave a comment. Definitely leave me a comment, please. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I would appreciate it if you did. I'll be shooting more videos on the Palomino, and you know, and again, if you've done things differently to yours, please let me know, because I am always looking for good ideas. Anyhow, we will talk to you on the next one.